Hi everyone, this is Tavan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is regarding apprentice vacancies in Airport Authority of India. Notification for engagement of apprentices under Apprentice Act 1961 Western Region of India. Here they are mentioned vacancies, number of vacancies and Western Region places. Okay, and here first one, graduate apprentice mechanical and automobile engineering. So total number of seats are 31, duration of training period is 1 year and rate of stipend per month equals to 1500 rupees. So here the minimum qualification is degree in engineering or technology, engineering degree in mechanical engineering, otherwise automobile engineering. And these are the Western region places. And one, graduate apprentice in communication and navigational surveillance. So total number of seats are 29, duration of training 1 year. This duration of training is fixed 1 year. Rate of stipend 15,000 rupees and minimum qualification bachelor's degree in engineering and technology in electronics or telecommunication or electrical with specialization in electronics from a recognized institution. Graduate apprentice in information technology and computer science engineering. So number of vacancies 20, duration of training 1 year and rate of stipend 15,000. So minimum qualification is bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in computer science or computer engineering or IT or electronics. Okay, and these are the Western region of India. Diploma apprentice in mechanic or auto engineering. So 27 vacancies are available and 1 year training period and 12,000 stipend. The required qualification, a diploma in engineering or technology, mechanical engineering, otherwise automobile engineering. Diploma apprentice communication in navigational surveillance and 22 vacancies and 1 year duration, 8,000 stipend per month, and diploma in electronics and telecommunication and radio engineering from a recognized institute. And next one, diploma apprentice in information technology or computer science. Number of seats 24, duration of training 1 year and stipend 12,000. And these are the degrees, required degrees: diploma in engineering, technical in computer science, computer engineering, IT, electronics. These are the places. So the qualification prescribed shall be from a recognized university institute with minimum 50% marks, 45% for SC/ST candidates in aggregate. Okay, and educational qualification, so degree and diploma candidate should possess full-time regular 4 years degree in engineering or 3 years diploma of the above mentioned streams for institutions recognized by AICTE. And the eligibility criteria, so candidates who have passed degree or diploma on or after 1/3/2018, that means March 1st 2018 only are eligible. So and age limit is minimum 18 years, maximum 26 years as on 30th November 2002. And non-liability to offer employment in completion of apprenticeship. Whoever completed successful apprenticeship program under Airport Authority of India, those people will not guarantee to the employment in that particular organization, right? And selection methodology, this is purely based on merit of your graduation and diploma. Okay, so those people are called for interview or document verification, so to allocate the positions, right? These are the certain general instructions, so please go through that. And application fee, so no application fee, this is completely free. In order to apply this particular Airport Authority of India apprentice training program, so you have to visit this NARTS website. Okay, so the complete procedure how to apply in NARTS website, that complete procedure is mentioned in this annexure 1 part. Okay, just you can go through that. So National Apprenticeship Training Scheme portal, so this is the procedure they have already provided here, just please go through that. Okay, so anyway I will attach a website link and as well as this particular document below of this particular video, just go through that. So for more update, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. Please like the video, and if you have any doubts, please comment on comment box. Thank you.